Welcome to the part 3 of the video. Here we will start the procedure. See, we have already measured the 100 mg quantity of the potassium permanganate and we have kept it in the volumetric flask. Now here we are going to transfer 30 ml of distilled water from the beaker into the measuring cylinder so that we can transfer it into the volumetric flask. We will do it very carefully. Before filling, stop. See, when it is about to reach the 30 ml mark, then we will either use any dropper or either we will use any pipette to drop by drop maintain the volume, because we cannot go it wrong. Now you can drop to distilled water drop by drop here. Be very careful. Okay, now always check the mark against a white background. Because here see, I am keeping it behind in front of a dark background. We cannot actually trace the mark. Okay, so whenever you have to trace the mark, you will always check opposite to a white background. So you can sit down and you can check it here. Okay, you can always check it here. Here see, you can clearly see whether it is fulfilled or not. You just need one more drop to complete the 30 ml volume. Just one drop, we can do it by the help of a pipette or a dropper. Okay. Accuracy is the key in pharmaceutical analysis. Okay, see. Now again test it against a white background. Can you see? Yes, I can see just is one more drop is required and we will get the desired 30 ml quantity of the distilled water. Very good. Okay. Now please transfer. We will transfer this 30 ml distilled water into the volumetric flask by the help of a funnel. Pour it very slowly. Okay. Okay, now stop it and now swirl very slowly the volumetric flask, very slowly swirl it, very slowly, yes. We are doing this so that all the amount of the potassium permanganate will get dissolved into the distilled water. It will make the solution easier to, properly even the solution. Okay, now keep it down. Again, pour. Okay. Keep it slowly. Yeah, pour it slowly. Okay. Okay, again stop. And swirl the volumetric flask again to evenly dissolve the potassium permanganate. You have to make sure that you do not drop the volumetric flask. Okay. Okay, now again pour it very slowly, full the volume. Keep it there, so that all the hanging drops will be, inside the volumetric flask. Because it is accurately measured, we cannot risk the change in concentration of the solution. Okay, now keep it for 2 minutes so that all the hanging drops, or you can do it like this, all the hold the volumetric flask. Hold the volumetric flask. Okay. Why we are doing this? Because we have measured very accurately 30 ml, and if the quantity of the distilled water is changed, the concentration will totally be changed. Okay. Okay. Now, what is the second step? Second step, we will have to take 10 ml of the solution and dilute to 100 ml of the distilled water. Okay. So, take another volumetric flask. Now here we will have to make up the volume up to 100 ml by pouring distilled water very slowly. Okay. Before reaching the desired mark, we will stop pouring continuously and then we will take the use of a pipette or a dropper to make up the volume so that we do not miss any concentration. Okay, so what do? We check that whether the desired concentration is achieved or not. We'll check it from the opposite, the white background. Yes, I think we have desired concentration, right? So now you have to swirl it. You can take the use of the glass rod and stir it. Take the use of the glass rod. First of all, wash it with the distilled water. Just rinse it with the distilled water. Just rinse it once and pat it with the, take the use of this filter paper. Do not ever use directly, okay? Just take the filter paper and pat it gently. Why we are doing this? Again, because we do not want any single extra drop of distilled water into the volumetric flask, okay? Because it will change the concentration. All right? Okay, now you can stir it very gently. Hold this. Yes. Keep it down. Okay, wait, just hold this and just move the glass rod. Move the glass rod. Yes. Move the glass rod. Okay, it is done. Keep it here. Now we will take 10 ml from this solution. We will pipette it out. 10 ml of this solution, and we will transfer this solution into another 100 ml volumetric flask. Keep it very carefully. Yes. Now you have to drop it down so that if air bubble is there, it can get relieved. Okay. Yes. Now again suck it from the pipette. Okay. Now transfer it here. Very carefully. Very good. Nice and easy. Relieve the pressure. No need to hurry while doing the analysis practical, okay? It's all about the accuracy. Very good. Yes. Relieve the pressure. Very good. Now wait for a while so that all the solution gets transferred into the volumetric flask, okay? Okay. Now we will make up the volume of this solution up to 100 ml again with the distilled water. We will have to pour it very gently so that we do not miss the mark on the volumetric flask, okay? After going more than halfway, we will slow down the pouring. We have to always pour the distilled water to make up the volume very gently, very softly. Okay, now drop by drop mark up to the volume. Just 2 more drops are needed. Yes, do it with the pipette for the more accuracy. Just pour 1 drop and see if the mark is reached. 1 more drop. Okay, one more drop and it is done. Okay. Okay. Remove the funnel. Good. And recap the. Now, this is our second stock solution. Now, we have to make the final concentration, final dilution, that is of 40 microgram per ml. So, for that, we will take the use of the volumetric flask, which is 10 ml of the volume. Here, it is 10 ml of the volume. We have already washed it and rinsed it with distilled water. Now we will take 4 ml of the stock solution, second stock solution, and transfer it into the 10 ml of volumetric flask to make up the final volume of 40 microgram per ml. Now we will take it very gently, pour out 4 ml into the pipette. See, you do not cross the mark of 4 ml. Now transfer it into the 10 ml volumetric flask. Very gently. Okay, we are done. Now again, what we will do? We will make up the volume up to 10 ml. Take the funnel and keep it adjusted here. Yes, very slowly. Okay, if we have smaller funnel, we can take the use of smaller funnel. Okay, you can make up the volume by pipette also. Okay, you can make up the volume by the pipette also. Take the distilled water and gently make up the volume up to 10 ml. Always check it opposite a white background. Just wait, just wait, just wait. Okay. Check it opposite a white background. Okay. Mark is required. Still not reach the mark. Okay. We will continue pouring the distilled water. Do it very gently. Do not break the tip of the pipette. Yes. Very good. Have we reached the mark? Just one drop is required. One drop more is required. Yes. Wait, have we reached the mark yet? One more drop. Wait, I think it is done. Yes, it is done. Okay. Recap it. Recap it. Always recap the volumetric flask. Take the smaller one from there. Now, this is the final solution of 40 microgram per ml, and now we will take the absorbance of this solution at different wavelengths by the help of the UV spectrophotometer. Okay.